Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be diving into the Scout here, and we're going to be getting this battery anchored down right here. The original battery mount that I had, it will not work because it's supposed to go right here, and there's supposed to be a threaded post, and then this has like a U-bolt that comes down and hooks onto here. That's not going to work because, again, this is busted, and I don't really want to go grinding and try and welding stuff up in here after I just cleaned it up here. So I've got just a universal kit right here, and I'm going to try and pop a hole in right down here, put this into here, and then just have a cross strap over the top of it here. So let's get on that and see if we can get this to work. Okay, we're going to go on ahead and use our center punch right here and try and get a spot right here so our drill bit does not walk. Okay, hopefully that'll help us right there. And then hopefully we can fit our drill in here. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. It's gonna try and walk on us right here. Let me see if I can get a different drill. Okay, let's see if this one will work here for us. Let's see if that's big enough here. Yeah, we're gonna need one size bigger. There we go, that's what we need. We'll just keep this right here. We'll get this cleaned up real fast, and then we'll get the battery installed and get the other piece on. Perfect, so it looks like this bracket should work that I got right here. Now I can just drop this down into here, and we should be able to hook it onto the bottom, and hopefully we should be all set right here. All right, I don't like how this will spin around a little bit right here, so I'm gonna see if I have just a universal handle that'll go around this, and then I might put a hole into this right here just because I don't like how this thing can spin a little bit right here. So let's give that a shot. So I got the other pieces right over here we're gonna try. I have these, it's gonna be kind of very similar, but if you look at the profile of this hook, I like how it's a little bit more closer to this right here, and hopefully that'll give the battery a little more room as well. All right, let's put that there, put the battery back in. Oh yeah, much better. That's not gonna go anywhere now. Okay, that is much better. Looks like this stud is going to be a little bit tall right here, so I'm going to have to cut this down, probably this one as well, so it doesn't hit the hood. But other than that, this is great. So let's get these cut down and we should be good. Okay, there is one. Last thing we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and touch these up with a file right here, just so they don't have any sharp, jagged edges on them here. That is all there is to doing a universal hold down in a 73 International Scout 2. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did like it, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.